So now let's see how we can actually work around with dynamic brush settings inside of Affinity. So over here, you can see that I have Affinity opened up. So let me just go around over here onto Pixel. And over here, I'm going to go ahead and take this paintbrush. So if I were to click and drag, you can see that I got this paintbrush right here. But let's say I want it to behave a bit dynamically right here. So for that, I'm going to go around over here onto more right here. So you get to the brush option. So here you can see that you can go ahead and change around the general brush settings as you like right here. You can change around the spacing and so forth. But you can also go ahead and change the dynamics of it. So you can change around the jitter size as you can see right here. And you can see that the brush is dynamic on start and end. You can change around the jitter right here. You can change the flow jitter and everything right here and change the rotation as well. Let me just go ahead right here and let's say, for example, decrease out the size a bit, change around the accumulation right here, and then let's say, for example, increase out the spacing as well, and you can see the difference right here. You can even go ahead and scatter out the brush right here as you can see, and change the hardness jitter as you can see right here, so it's more random. Change around the shape jitter right here just like this as well, and even the hue jitter. So if there's any color, then the hue jitter will also be there. So if I were to go ahead right here, you can see I can also change the luminosity jitter right here. Let's just close, and now if I were to draw, you can see the jitter right here just like this, and you got dynamic brush right here. So now if I were to go around and choose other color, let's say for example, you got the change in hue as well. So it's not just red, but the hue of the brush changes out as well. So that is how you can go ahead and work around with dynamic brush settings inside of Affinity. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.